Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Welcome in the GK class of 6th standard. Today we are going to study a new lesson number 5, expensive minerals and metals. Before we start our lesson, I would like to discuss its objectives with you. Children, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different kind of minerals and also know about their uses. Now, let's start reading of the lesson. Our earth possesses tremendous mineral wealth that is regularly used by humans for various purposes. Recognize the following world's most valued and expensive minerals. Write their names in the given blanks. You may use the help box. So students, our earth possesses tremendous minerals. Tremendous means great amount. Tremendous mineral wealth that is regularly used by humans for various purposes. So children, first of all, let me explain the meaning of minerals. Any natural substance found inside the earth is called minerals. Minerals and metals have a wide variety of uses. For example, iron is used in vehicles or for frames of buildings. Copper is used in electrical wiring. Aluminium is used in aircraft and to make drinking cans. And precious metals are used in jewelry making and mobile phones. See the first picture of this lesson in your books. This is the rarest and the most valuable of all opals used in jewelry making. So children, this is the picture of black opal. It is a hydrated amorphous form of silica. Its water content may range from 3 to 21% by weight, but is usually between 6 to 10%. See the second picture given in the book. This is considered to be one of the most expensive gemstones in the world. This is the picture of ruby. Students, gemstones is a type of material that is capable of being cut and polished for use in jewelry and other ornamental objects. Ruby is a pink to blood red colored gemstone, a variety of the mineral corundum, one of the traditional cardinal gems. See the number 3rd picture given in the book. This is commercially the most popular mineral. It is majorly used in jewelry making. So children, diamond is commercially the most popular minerals. It is majorly used in jewelry making. Diamond is a solid form of the element carbon with its atoms arranged in a crystal structure called diamond cubic. Next, number 4. This is one of the most desirable, rare and valuable gemstones in the world. So students, jadeite is one of the most desirable, rare and valuable gemstones in the world. It is a translucent and highly durable form of jade gemstones that is considered quite rare and precious. It is known for its color and brilliant luster. Number 5th picture. It is a highly valued mineral used in the production of rechargeable batteries. So students, lithium is a highly valued mineral used in the production of rechargeable batteries. It is a high energy healing and balancing stone. Number 6th. This is one of the rarest minerals in the world. It is very difficult to locate this mineral. So children, penite is one of the rarest mineral in the world. It was first found in Myanmar by British mineralogist. Look at the 7th picture. This silver white noble metal is the world's most expensive mineral. It is very rare and exclusively used in automobile industry. So children, rhodium, silver white noble metal is the world's most expensive mineral. It is very rare and exclusively used in automobile industry. It is the most expensive of all the precious metals because it is very rare in nature. So students, your lesson is completed here. And now your homework is you have to solve this exercise by writing their names in the given blanks.